What's up, everyone? Let's do a quick analysis on oil as a request from somebody in our trading Telegram group. All right. So first of all, we had a breakout uh, from the downtrend. So change of character, right? So lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We took out the previous lower high. Now we created a higher high, a higher low, and we're pushing for a higher high now. And obviously, the trend line break supports it. We gap down, but we are going back up. We, as you can see, are above the opening close of Friday, and we're pumping. Why are we pumping? Well, because natural gas is actually flying today, and on the expectations of a colder winter. When there's a colder winter, commodities like oil and natural gas will be going up, and that's why it's a fundamental play, and it's colder winter being priced in right now. uh, Short-term trades. I think personally that if you can trade it, if you need to trade it properly, uh, so we don't need this anymore. I would be long, and my stop would need to be below 81, below 81, so 80 cents, let's say. Somewhere here is the stop loss, which is kind of far because now we're trading at 92. So you either have to do a small leverage and target 110 or so, even maybe higher, 120. But it'll take obviously a few weeks to play out. Short-term trades, that was a swing trade. So if you see a retest of this breakout, if you see a retest of this channel breakout, I'm sorry, trend line break. If you see this thing hop down here, or especially down towards this channel here, that's a buy for sure. I think. Just again, given that it's being priced in that it's going to be a cold winter, so you'll need more oil and gas to heat up everything as usually, and the commodity prices will go up. What we need to see though is some kind of since we are really are banging our heads against this previous swing here. Where's my tools? See, it's providing resistance. So at least a close above would be if you want to trade momentum. You can see a close above, a retest of this previous swing, and continuation. So something like this. If you see price go up, then it's going to do a retest of the breakout point and continue higher. You need to see this continuation, and you go long right here. All right. Once you start seeing the bounce, and you put your stop here or maybe here, and that's the trade on a 4 hour time frame. So a little closer stop loss, a little more tight control risk instead of swing trade daily. So for now, I'm not even looking for shorts again, simply because natural gas is rallying, and it's and so is oil on today's news. So again, we might see some profit taking. Today is a slow day. So if you see the retest of this trend line break and a continuation, that's another trade you can take on an hourly basis. Now, again, you would need to see a bounce. You see a retest, an hourly candle close here, and an hourly candle close here, and then you go long, stop here, and you target at least these highs. So you have a 4-to-1, 5-to-1 risk to reward, or even higher, honestly. So that's another trade on the short-term time frame. If you really want to do a day trade, today is not the day for day trading. I mean, maybe retest of this area right here for short-term bounce. That's another option. But I would leave the day trading alone for today because uh, look at Nasdaq, up, down, up, down, up, down. Again, it's a 5 minute chart. We went down, went up, went down, went up, went down. So we today is a range trading day, right? So you buy lows, sell highs because it's doing this. right? So we're not going to see a trending day. But maybe so that's why that's a good thing because if that happens, oil will give you a chance to get into some nice longs for the coming days. All right. Hope it helps. As always, more than welcome to stop by our new Discord or Telegram group. Both links are in the description. Say hi. We can, and if you need any signals and services, education, apexbull.com. Enjoy.